Browser extensions are small software modules which enhance your browsing experience. These can add features to your web browser or modify its behavior. These extensions can customize the UI, help you manage cookies, block ads, and even allow custom scripting and styling of web pages. Each extension typically focuses on a specific function, such as enabling direct PDF printing from your browser or integrating with other services you use. For example, in Edge, you can explore a variety of extensions that enhance your productivity, security, and personalization. The same can be found for other browsers, but let's first of all go to our extensions. Now you can go to Edge::extensions, and we are now taken to our extensions. Now, as you can see here, there are some which have been added by a third party. And if we hover over, we can see it says added by third party. If we want to remove it, we can just click remove, and the extension is removed. We also have one now in Microsoft Edge called Google Docs Offline, and it will help us use Google Docs offline just like in Chrome. And we can turn that on at any time. Now, as you may be able to see on the left hand side, we have a get extensions for Microsoft Edge as well as at the bottom. And we're just going to click on that and open that in a new tab. We're just going to come back here and there's going to be something seen here, allow extensions from other stores. Now this allows you to download and open extensions and add extensions to your browser from, say, the Chrome Web Store as well as Microsoft Edge's add-ons store. But if we have a look here, you have a wide variety of categories which you can search through. You can have a look at the editor's picks of extensions to install on your browser. And some of the familiar ones which you may be aware of are those such as uBlock Origin, which is a free ad blocker, Adobe Acrobat, which is used for PDF editing, conversion, and signing. You also have NordVPN. We also have TunnelBear VPN as an example here. These are VPNs for privacy and security. You can also find a ton of different things like file converter, password managers, and so on. Now, these extensions help tailor your browsing experience. And if I was to enable the allow extensions from other store, we're going to click allow. Now we're going to search for the Chrome Web Store. And if we go in, we can then access the same extensions as well. And as you can see here, Chrome extensions work in Microsoft Edge. Click on any extension to learn more. So let's say we wanted to have QR code. So this will generate a QR code for any web page or URL. And let's say we want that. So as you can see here, QR code works on Edge. Click Get Extension to install. And we're just going to hit Add Extension. We can also use the Get. And as you see, it's automatically added that in for us. Now we're going to install a Edge add-on, as they call it, but it's an extension. So we're going to choose DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials, and here we're going to click Add Extension. Now you can see here it's turned it off by default. We're going to click on back to our extensions page, and what we're going to do is we're going to turn DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials on because it's been turned off by default. Now what this means is that it will, for the DuckDuckGo extension, it will change what your search directs to. So instead of going to like Bing or Google or any other site that you usually use in your URL bar, it will use DuckDuckGo instead. If at all you want to disable it, you can by just toggling it off at any time. Say you are done with an extension, you can click on the extension's jigsaw piece and you can right click on it and hit remove from Microsoft Edge and click remove, the same as we did it here from this menu.